Okay, I did the initial setup that it says to do, and it took a while to do everything, but they kind of make it easy. It's literally labeled SSD and RAM and SSD, so that's what you got to unscrew here. And the instructions are here, but I'm not that guy, and I'm timid about doing it. But you know, let's give her a go. I'm just gonna take it apart first to see what's up. So it does start with this one. And this is the RAM and SSD. What's it, super solid, super state drive or something? I don't know. I'm gonna put these in a cup so I don't lose them. Start just by looking at it. Do I gotta take this screw out too? I shouldn't. It's not just... okay. Oh, for fuck's sakes. So, unscrew, remove the back cover, which I did. This one's empty, so do I just, oh, I just fucking put it in. So I don't take one out, I just put the other one in. And that's this one. You can see it, 32G. RAM. I gotta take the sticker off. I don't know if, do I gotta take the sticker off? Insert the upgrade SSD to the empty slot below. What the fuck? If I take this out or not. The sticker. I mean, this has a sticker on it. Fuck. What do I do? What do I take this off or not? This has a sticker right here. I don't want to totally fuck it up. Like, it just has a screen, so there's nothing for this to attach to. Back cover, insert the upgrade RAM card to the empty RAM slot. Insert, and then that's number 3, and then insert the upgrade SSD to the empty SSD below. So it says remove that. So I think I put it all in here and then take this fucker out. It doesn't say about this sticker. fuck it, I'm taking it off. Now which way does this go? Like this? Totally not a tech guy for this kind of shit. And I don't think it goes like this at all. Just when you look at the teeth here. Fuck me. Fuck me, man. This thing has some movement on it. You can see it, and there's a hole here. So this has to line up with that, which means this thing slides in, but it doesn't push down, you see. So this shit ain't straightforward, man. And I feel like I gotta take it to a computer guy now, because I don't want to fuck it up. Yeah, it's not, like it's sliding in, but it's still sticking up. Like I don't... These instructions are way too simple. If you see them, they're just bogus, man. All it says is insert the upgrade RAM card to the empty slot below. So you put it from like into here. And it's supposed to be this way, but it doesn't fucking just... Is there a lever? Like, you see this thing here, like what the fuck is that? And it doesn't just pop in. So for people like me, if you're gonna buy this, it looks like you're gonna have to spend another $100 or whatever the fuck to get this shit fucking changed. Like after doing all the upgrade, like the install of Windows 11 and all that stuff. This way. Maybe I had it the wrong way the whole time. When you're looking at this. Oh, fuck. Is it that way or this way? This way lines it up with, if you can see this here. Right here, there's this little square. So this hole lines up with it this way. lines up with that. Whereas if you do it this way, the square's here and the thing's here, so it doesn't line up. So that says it's got to be this way. Fucking motherfucker, man. I bet they won't allow my freaking, if I put this up as a review, they won't allow it because I'm cursing, but they never want honest on those things. They want everyone to be nice, even when you're getting screwed. For fuck's sakes, man. Like, how do you even do this? How long? This should just pop in. I gotta take it to my computer, guys. So now I gotta cough up more money because I don't. Obviously, I don't want to bust it up. For fuck's sakes. For fuck's sakes, man. Okay, I don't recommend getting this fucking computer. I just don't. Like, it was apparently really good. It was a smoking deal that I got it for what it's supposed to be. But just this alone, it should come out of the box just fucking done. This is just stupid. And like, for supercomputer people, they're probably gonna just laugh at me, but that's not who's buying these things. They're people like me. Yeah, I gotta fucking, fuck me. No, I gotta take it to someone, a computer friend, to get it done, and now have to pay more money. Fucking motherfucker, man. That's a bummer. Bunch of lazy cunts. Do I gotta beat that one out? I mean, they could have just done this. Why would they just not do it? Okay, I gotta do that. I don't want to break it. So, fuck you to this computer. I gotta do a part 2. Just to put this thing on. Just put it back on. It doesn't even go in easy. Motherfuckers, man. Like, this should just pop in like any back of a remote control, man. For fuck's sakes. So even this is like a fucking sucks to deal with. Like, how is this difficult to put this thing back on? That's just stupid. I'm gonna lose my shit over a stupid backplate. For fuck's sakes. I'm just putting it on loose. Not even all the way and fucking, like, fuck you. I don't recommend this. Don't get it. It might be an awesome computer, but first impression is that it's totally fucking, it just sucks to deal with. So now I'm wondering how the rest of it's gonna actually work. Well, that sucks, man. Don't recommend it.